Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Let's start our topic. A healthy and balanced diet plays a significant role in overall well-being, including sexual health. While there is no magical food that guarantees a thriving sex life, certain nutrients and dietary strategies can support sexual health and enhance libido. Here are some nutrition strategies to consider. 1. Maintain a balanced diet. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health, including sexual health. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for maintaining good circulation and overall bodily function. Proper hydration can help with sexual arousal and lubrication. 3. Consume antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants help protect the body from cellular damage and inflammation. Include foods such as berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, citrus fruits, and nuts, which are rich in antioxidants. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been linked to various health benefits, including improving blood flow and supporting hormonal balance. Sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 5. Include lean proteins. Proteins are important for building and repairing tissues, including sexual organs. Opt for lean protein sources like poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils. 6. Consume foods rich in zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that supports sexual health and hormone production. Include foods like oysters, shellfish, lean meats, legumes, nuts, and seeds, which are good sources of zinc. 7. Balance blood sugar levels. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels can affect energy levels and mood, which can indirectly impact sexual desire. Focus on consuming complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy and help stabilize blood sugar levels. 8. Moderate alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can impair sexual performance and reduce libido. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. 9. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact sexual desire and performance. Practice stress management techniques such as regular exercise, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and getting adequate sleep. 10. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have specific concerns about your sexual health or libido, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs. Remember, nutrition is just one aspect of a healthy sex life. Other factors, such as communication, emotional connection, and overall well-being, also play important roles. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.